Let's take a look at 9216. This is a prime inside cabin. So as you come in, speaking of prime, look at all the space for this inside cabin, everybody. This might be the most spacious, non-accessible inside cabin I've ever seen. I mean, look at all the down there. It really does look like an accessible cabin, but it is not. So as you come in, as you see, ton of space. You walk into your desk. This is where the only power in the cabin is. 2 US, 1 European. Mini fridge, safe, drawers, TV. This is what the king looks like when they separate them. Normally, you'd put the 2 nightstands in the middle, but they just have 1 and 1. There is a nice chair down there, and don't forget, you do also have a coffee table. Over here is your closet. So 2-sided, plenty of hanging. These go up if you don't want a second set of hanging. The bathroom, great sized bathrooms in this ship, guys. Toilet in a great place for someone my height at 6'4", as well as width, so definitely great for tall and fluffy. Vessel sink, huge mirror, power, cubbies, drawers, all kinds of nice stuff. My favorite, to be honest with you, the shower, guys. It's a nice elongated corner shower, so you're not going to feel tight in there like a lot of corner showers. So there you go. There is your prime inside cabin. Let us know what you think. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.